Today I will show you what problems will occur if you directly replace the earpiece cable on iPad. Demo model iPad Pro 11-inch 2nd generation. We disassemble the screen and directly replace the LB earpiece cable. Take out the LB earpiece cable and install it. Install the screen and start the test. You can see that the Face ID function is not available, and the original color function is also not available. Turn off the power and remove the earpiece cable. Let's fix these two problems. Take out the LB host and install the corresponding small board. Install the cable to the host for testing. The test shows that data can be entered, indicating that the wiring is normal. Take out the iPad, turn it on, and connect the iPad to the LB host with a data cable. After connecting, the host will automatically read the iPad data. Click the back button to see that the iPad has been unbound. Next, click Write Data. After writing successfully, I removed the cable and soldered the original color cable. Take out the original color cable for welding. Apply flux and align each soldering point for soldering. After the cable is soldered, reinstall it to the iPad for testing. Enter the settings and you can see that the original color function has returned to normal. Face ID can be entered normally, and face unlocking is sensitive. demonstration ends here. If the iPad Face ID is damaged, You can use the LB earpiece cable to solve this problem.